How to create a gifts and novelty items e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the login button. Before that, you can click on the sign up button to create a new account, and if you already have an account, you just click on login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next to proceed to type in your password and give it a few seconds to load. And after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is giving it a name. So here it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later on. After typing the name of the store, you click on continue, and here you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. Then you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of gifts and novelty items. So let's see if we can find something related to that niche. I think we can go with the jewelry and accessories niche, and also we can go with tech products, and that's it. And if you can't find your category in this list, you can just click on other, then click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of the store. If not, you just skip this step and you give it a few seconds to build your store. And here, as you can see, this is the dashboard of the store. In your right you have the edit site button, also the design now button, and the 2 of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website. And it's where we have again the edit site button and the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you have the site's items if you want to create new products or if you want to change the ones that you already have. And then we have the site's categories. If you want to categorize the products that you created before, you can do that in this section. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the cancelled one, the shipped one, and the paid one, and so on. Then you have the fulfillment section, where you can check or set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings also. And after that we have the reports section, where you can check the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales, site's items, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you just click on summary and you can see it. So let's close this section. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find basically all the tools that are related to growing your audience, from the email to automated to the ads, mailing lists, segments, setup, and so on. And if you want to see again the summary of all these tools, you can just click on summary and you can see them. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And then we have the settings section, where you have the general settings of the store. By clicking on it, you will be able to change the company name or set up your address, your email, and your phone number. So just wait for it to load, and here you can change the company name, set the address, email and the phone number. Then you have the checkout, and it's where you can set your payment processors like your Stripe account, your PayPal account, or change the country and the currency of your store. Then you have the sales taxes and the units where you can change the language or edit the units that you have. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button, and just give it a few seconds to load. It will not take much. You will just need to be a little bit patient. And here you have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And here it is. The first step of creating your store is choosing the styles that you will use in your store. So just wait for the store to be fully loaded, then you will be able to type in or to choose the style that you want. So here, as you can see, this is the store, and let's choose this first one as our style. Click on hide styles and check if it fits your store. Then click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site's design. If you want to change the styles again, if you want to add an image to be your logo, change colors, fonts, shape, and also if you want to change these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid one. And when you're done with the design, you click on done and you proceed to changing these sections. Close this one and dismiss all, dismiss. And here you have these sections. If you want to change one of them or replace it or delete it or hide it, so you can play with all of these adjustments the way you want if you want to create a new one. And that's it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.